Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are starting coding in 2025, you might be asking what is the best tech stack to learn right now. So first of all, for front end, JavaScript is still the king with the frameworks like React and Next.js leading the way. They are fast, SEO friendly and widely used by the companies. For backend, Node.js remains very popular, but Python and Django or Fast API is also a strong choice, especially for the AI powered applications. So if you are looking for high performance, Go and Rust are trending too. If we talk about the database, so PostgreSQL is the most reliable and flexible option. MongoDB is also great for NoSQL projects, while Firebase is good for quick prototypes. In 2025, AI integration is everywhere. So you can also look for the tools like LangChain and OpenAI's APIs are also being used to build the smart applications. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Vercel make the development super easy. So the best stack depends on your goal, but a safe and the future-proof choice is React plus Node.js plus PostgreSQL with some AI tools added in it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.